Alright everybody, welcome back to my YouTube video. I cannot help that my camera is not auto-focusing on my face because it's just so damn bright in front of this window. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a spring/summer try-on haul. I've been buying things online and in stores for a while now and collected it all for this video, I guess. Sometimes I don't know what I'm going to say. So I think we should just go ahead and get started with this video. First, I've got some shoes. Let me tell you about these bad boys while I put them on. I got these from Burlington Coat Factory. And something might just hit my leg. And I got these for like $36 and they're originally $90. And I remember just going there one day with my grandma because I wanted to look for some stuff. And I found these puppies. Can I look at this puppy? Whoa. That was stupid of me. Yeah, these are what my shoes look like on. I think they're so cute. I wouldn't necessarily wear this shoes and this outfit together, but these are my Fenty Puma espadrille, whatever these things are called. Thank you, Bentley. Alright, so I have my first outfit on, but before we get started, I wanted to say that I am a very small girl. Give you some ideas of how I look in real life. My height is 5'3", I believe. Bentley, stop with your toy. He's making so much noise. My height is 5'3", I do believe. I don't think I'm any taller than that. I think I weigh like 127 to 130 in that realm. So that's like my height and weight. Most clothes I wear... Stop it! Most clothes I wear like a 4 or 6 in. Some brands teeter between running really big or really small, but 4 or 6 is where I usually start picking out my clothes at, and my top is I usually get smalls to mediums in. So yeah, I don't know my measurements, so I can't put that in there. And most of my stuff I got from like Burlington Coat Factory, TJ Maxx, some things I got from Nasty Gal, but it was from like the winter time when I got it because it was in clearance, so I don't know if they'll have it anymore. I definitely go... Stop! I'll definitely go on the website and look it up to see if they are, if it's still up there. If it's up there, I'll leave a link. The stuff from Shein is definitely up there, so I will leave a link for that stuff so you can buy it. But if you can't find these things in your local store, I am so sorry. But now that I'm done rambling, let's get into this fit. This top I need to pin it. I don't have big boobs. So, if I had nice big pricky boobs, this shirt will work well. But I think I'm just going to pin it. It's a halter top, as you can see in the back. It's a white bodysuit. So when I'm standing straight up, it's not bad. But like I lean forward, you can see all my ninnies. And that's the halter top. It's really cute. It's white. I got it for a pair of pants. I'll show y'all later, but it works with these pants. And I got this bodysuit from Shein. It was either like $7 or $8, I can't remember. And then I got these black pants from TJ Maxx. They were a Christmas gift for me, and they were $14.99. And they're like high-waist jeans. I don't know the brand. They're a nice pair of black high-waisted jeans. They're in size 9. I got these in a size 9. And when I first tried these jeans on, they didn't fit like this, so they're a little tight. What's cool about these jeans is the bottom. The bottom's so cute. My dog's just gonna be in the way. You know, Billy wants his own YouTube channel. Dude, I feel like I'm gonna wear this top all the time. This is the same top I had on before, the bodysuit from Shein. And this is some yellow shorts I got from Old Navy. I got these on sale. They're $15 when I got them. I think they're usually... Wrong thingy. They're usually $22.99, yeah. And these are mid-rise shorts in a size medium. Yep. I like yellow. These are so cute. Oh my god, this is totally an outfit. Ooh. Oh. Just like perk the booty roll. My dog's so uninterested in that. This is cute shorts. I like this top and the shorts together, in all honesty. Oh, where I'm high-waisted. No. Up here, definitely. Oh, I feel cute. I feel like I need to go somewhere, but no, I'm not going anywhere. Alright, this is my, fourth, shirt. 1, 2, 3, yeah. This is my fourth piece. These are pants. I got these pants from Nasty Gal. They are ruffle hem trousers. These are really cute. I don't know if they're supposed to be high-waisted, but I wear them. It says 8. Did I get this in a size 8 or... I don't know. Oh, okay. They're size UK 8, US 4. So these are size 4. They come past my belly button up to my waist. They have like a ruffle coming to the side. They're really cute. I love these. And like I said, these I think were like $14 or something because I got them in Boots, but they're fairly cheap. I think they're originally like 30 something if you hold them out like this. Oh, like Janelle Monáe's Pink video. Okay, anyways, but these are cute. Look cute when you walk. But I got this top for these pants, but it worked with all my other outfits, my bottoms too. But I got these on sale. I think I got these during November of 2017 for the spring and summertime of 2018. Yes. I don't know why I feel like I have to walk like little patchy girls be like. Okay, I'm done. Yeah. So this is my next outfit. I finally changed my top. This top is from Shein as well as a V-neck white tee bodysuit. So it does have clasp in the bottoms as well as the other one did. The other one fit a little tight on me on the bottom part, but the top part fit too big on me just because I have a smaller chest. So I mean, and all in all, I got my money's worth. It was $8. I can't complain about a bodysuit. This one fits comfortably on well. It's a medium. The top fits tight under my arms. The sleeves fit tight on my arms, but that's just normal to me. I forgot to put my bra back on, but it's fine. It's not gonna push it up or anything. So this fits comfortably. I don't feel weird in it. I got a bodysuit because I want that sleek feel. I like to tuck in my shirts, and I have a lot of white V-neck shirts, so I got a V-neck bodysuit. It was fairly expensive. I don't remember the price, but I'll make sure to list this shirt, this skirt, and then the white shirt I was wearing with all my other bottoms down below because I know they still have that online. And this black skirt, I got it because, you know, like the athletic wear is kind of in. It's got pockets on it. It's black with the white stripes on it. It is a size medium as well. It fits pretty good. I have it on my belly button. That's where I like to wear my pants. I like to wear my pants like on my actual hips up here. And my skirts and stuff. I mean, I could pull it up to be like high-waisted, but then we won't get butt action, but it'll be pretty short. I look like SpongeBob Square, but it does not do nothing. Yeah. I don't have a big butt or anything, so we can't expect too much out of it, you know? But this is what it looks like. A little body view so you can see where it kind of comes to me at my long chicken legs. Alright, and this is the last outfit I have. Oh, my sleeves ain't right. I got this set from TJ Maxx as well. I don't remember the brand of it, but this is the top. The whole set was $19.99, so I got it for $20 for both the top and the pants. The top kind of hits me above the belly button. It's off the shoulders. Cute little number. That's what the back of the shirt looks like. And then these are pants. I am a short girl, so basically any Palazzo type pant, wide-legged pant sets type things like these come all the way past my belly button. I wouldn't wear it down here. That's too much skin, and I don't have the abs for that. So this right here is cute. It makes me look cute. I feel cute. Am I cute? You know? Is this cute? Welcome back to another episode of Eyeliner Fix Your Life. And today we'll be discussing how can you be a better you. Just kidding. We're wrapping up this video and I'm just gonna go ahead and hit some key points to you guys. Burlington Coat Factory and TJ Maxx is like my two. Oh, I'm leaving a dog toy. But Brown to Coat Factory and TJ Maxx is like my two go-tos where I live to find name brand stuff for a cheaper price. I know TJ Maxx, a lot of people on Twitter says they have Anastasia, NARS. Mine carries some Max stuff that's been discontinued, or like department stores get some like Dillard's or JCPenney's, Macy's. They phase stuff out, so they'll send it to a local TJ Maxx. Mine does that. I haven't personally bought any makeup from there because none of the stuff is, of course, in my shade or what I want. But I did find this cute set. My black pants and yeah, this set, my black pants from TJ Maxx. My Fenty Puma little flats, I got espadrille flats. I got those from Brown to Coat Factory, another good place to find stuff. They're very hit or miss, but I found those for like $26, originally $90. I will link like the official website for those if you want to check those out. Maybe you can find something cheaper, but I'll link those down below. The Shein stuff, I'll definitely make sure to link that stuff in below. I was skeptical about it, so my first order wasn't really big. It was I need to stop saying it was actually really good for my first expectations. I think I spent around like $30 something for 3 items that all fell between like 7 to 12, I think, was the price points for each of those items. And then like shipping, my stuff is actually from California, so I think it took like a week and a half. It took like 3 or so days to process, and then the rest of the time was the shipping here, so that wasn't bad. A week and a half is really not bad for that stuff. And that's the Old Navy shorts, I'll link down below as well. And other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you like this video. Hopefully I can do more trial and stuff. I do like clothes even though I don't go anywhere, and that's probably the most basic stuff oh, it squeaks. That was, I'm sorry, I got distracted. That was probably the most basic stuff you'll ever see. I'm a sweater, so I sweat a lot. So I need airy, breezy things to wear during the spring and summer. So my fashion is better in the fall and winter, like everybody says. Anyways, hopefully I can do this again for you guys. If you like, please like this video. Comment what was your favorite piece from all of this. Yeah, let's do that. I want y'all to comment down below what is your favorite piece that y'all saw me have on. And then also subscribe because I'm about to bust out a lot of videos. And make sure to follow me on all my other social medias, which will be listed down below with some links down for you guys in the description box. Because y'all need to learn how to read. Reading Rainbow. Okay, I'm done. Peace out. Bye.